Hey, good evening to everyone that's lucky. This is the Upnlive show. Once again, my name is DJ Rick. If you don't know already, everybody should know my voice already. I am the official partner in crime of Rastafari, the little brown Rasta on the far right. She's here. And I must emphasize that she was late to the people for the show. Rasta, what's good? She's giving the hypocrite smile.
It's not a hypocrite smile.
It is hypocrite smile.
It's not a hypocrite smile. You just never have to tell people them somebody late.
No, me have to tell them.
Dash out my business out there.
Dash it out like water.
No. I'm good. I'm alive.
Upnlive?
In here is hot.
No, it's not hot. You can't tell life on with AC.
The AC, well, me not feel nothing.
Yeah.
And you have the AC to yourself, you know, brother.
But anyway,
but moving right along, yeah, man, we're good.
Yes.
We have a special
guest
person here today.
Yeah. Rara Rastafari.
A beer Rasta in there, no?
A beer Rasta in here. But anyway, people, we got the man himself, the man on the moment right here, is here. Rara. Welcome to the show, sir. Welcome to the Upnlive show. Is it Rara or Ray? Pronounce your name for me, please. Let me get it right. Because I know you like why, you know. I hear the argument.
Why is a crooked letter? We don't like why.
What really are going? What the name say?
Rara.
Rara.
The Rara.
The Rara.
Why the Rara?
And a friend them call me Rara.
Why your friend them call you Rara?
Privilege.
Oh, them just give it that name there?
So, well, a bare vague answer we are dealing with today. Them get the privilege to call you Rara. Okay, what is your real name?
Rayon.
Your government name? Rayon.
Okay, that makes
Okay,
sense.
so it's taken from Rayon. I'm going to assume. Good stuff. And you are a dancehall, hip hop, reggae. What kind of artist are you?
I make music. I haven't really dancehall artist. They would have called me still.
You're a dancehall artist.
They would have called me.
Them would have called you. So what you call you yourself?
Call me. We just make music.
You just make music, as in you perform music or you create beats.
Yeah.
What is it exactly?
I'm a creator.
You're a creator.
I create from scratch.
Okay.
Every single thing.
And you also perform.
From everything.
Okay. Good.
Okay, that's good.
Yeah, that's very good. You know,
that
you
is
depend on nobody for doing nothing.
Man who can do everything himself.
On
'Cause
drop, yeah.
that's what I realized the music is going to. Most artists are now producers, engineers. They're basically lab rats, so I like to call them, because everybody in the studio just can do everything for yourself, which works well. But you're in the UK. Do you reside here, or you're here on a promotional tour? What's happening for you?
I'm there, and I saw it there. I said I got take off from.
Okay, so you're living in the UK now.
Yeah.
Okay, that's good. That's forward. How long have you been here?
Call it favor.
Calling you sound like you're trapped.
Call it favor. Journey long, you know.
Yeah,
I tell you.
it is.
Yeah, man.
But how, I know you're Jamaican, because obviously we can hear the accent and we good.
Yeah.
So you left Jamaica at, I don't really want Gateway official, but you've been here, say, over 5 years.
Longer, yeah.
Longer than that, yeah? So what's the culture difference? What's the biggest shock for you when you living in the UK right now rather than living in Jamaica? What's the biggest difference for you?
Well, I don't know, you know.
You don't know. Me can't tell you the first thing. The
Me
coldness
can't
when winter bites.
Yo, I'm a person that me just take to anything.
Yeah.
And that's just me. I'm not too pre into it, pre over it. You see, if I'm forward, it's a forward. I just
So you're an adaptable person.
Yeah, we're not really from a that.
Yeah.
And from this our mind is set.
So you had the mindset when you reach over the first time. Listen, this is what it's gonna be. I'm gonna be here. I'm just gonna make do with whatever may come.
You have to.
Yeah, but I don't know. I still can't cope with it. I still have the mindset say we need to go back a yard to reside shortly. But I don't know. Maybe time may change your mind.
True.
Never will tell. Your latest music that you've done is my latest tracks. So I realize the tracks that I have for you is not really friendly. So I'm trying to figure out what is the newest project that you have right now you're promoting.
Right now we are promoting single Elegance,
Yep.
which has recently come out. 22nd.
22nd of June?
You know how long it takes to come out?
Is it?
Yeah?
Well, you had the issues behind the scenes, or what?
Enough. Links cut off, bridge burn, everything. Just because of that one song.
Then why you release the song? Why you shouldn't just pull back that song and just decide to release something else?
That song there, it was out of my hands. It got released out of my hands.
Okay.
Really and truly. Because the rhythm is owned by someone else.
Yeah.
So he released it, but we never promote it.
Okay.
Yeah,
So then it caused friction because you're not promoting the song.
No, man,
and
we're
release.
good still. Cause my virgin them still is me, but we just hold back like strategically.
Yeah.
And no me I do with
Okay.
it. Is it? And
But it probably pay dividends for you in the long run.
yeah,
Works
yeah,
better well for you.
surprisingly.
And then it's a situation you find yourself where you don't want to burn in the bridges, because especially in our environment as dancehall artists, people say you burn bridge, you switch, and all these things, then it might work in a negative effect for you.
Yeah.
Well, makes sense. But you're living here in the UK now, and you see the UK scene kind of floating right now. It's going into the right direction. Everybody's gravitating to the Afro beats here, the dancehall pop here, which is not really as accepted. How would you fit your music into what's going on here right now? Do you think that your music is sustainable enough to catch on to what's going on into the this current musical climate?
Well, but there so though. But there so far. Big song. That may I tell you.
Big song.
Big hard
So you feel
work.
like you have a hit ready? You have a number one?
My hits ready.
Mm.
They know who I am. Who knows who I am? They know who I am.
What's the biggest record you've done so far? The biggest impact?
Elegance. This impact is dangerous, and I haven't done a lot of work. Like, it just got dropped out, leaked basically, and
So this is your first song. Elegance is your first
no,
song.
it's not my first song, but this call it my first song because it's a new beginning.
Okay.
And
The way you're
the
talking
chapter
to me.
closed from before. Me used to
No,
make music
no.
before.
We know
at
it.
a different name. Who know me. But
Yeah.
we're not talking about the chapter there.
Yeah, but this is what. All right, Ari. You know what? Because we know that me not really know you like that.
Yeah.
So because I'm talking to you now, I'm realizing that it looks like
There's
there's
more.
some skeleton in the closet
Definitely.
where you don't really want to pull out, and you
Yeah,
try,
man.
you step in lightly because you don't want to step on nobody can. But
Mhm.
if you're a musician, I tell you this, yeah, stick. If you're doing music solely from your heart and you're doing music just for the love of it, whatever happen out there, as I say, you're doing the right thing by staying away from it, which I must say. But just continue doing the music, and
Yeah.
in the end, the good music will prevail over whatever is going on. And wherever you have any form of conflict and difficulties, it's gonna be happening.
Yeah.
You're not gonna have a smooth ride. Because I can tell you from the best artists are the people who make it most, get the most fight. If you look in the business now, who they say are the bad things about, they're the ones at the top.
Yeah, man.
So you just fight the fight until you reach where you need to be forward to.
Yeah, man.
Yeah. So anything we can look for you for the next couple of months? You have anything planned?
Loads of things. Right now it's summertime.
Such as, so we're going to have a party.
Summer band.
Summer band.
Me summer band.
Oh, so you have a
Yeah.
birthday thing.
No, man, a birthday thing. Man, I done the summer. We have finished the summer. May I tell you that?
Alright, so you're going to finish the summer how? Because if we want to roll, or we're going to know what...
You go see it.
So I have to go wait. What if I'm unavailable on that day? What is going
You
to
will be
happen?
available. You make
You
yourself
sure?
available for my music. Man. I tell
You know
that.
what?
No.
You see this
Oh, is it?
elegant song, people? Everybody that's live right now, I never hear this elegant song before. I'm looking at the camera up on the live feed.
Everything.
I never hear this elegant song. I'm going to make it the point and me deal with it. I have to go find a song there today. If it's dirty, we'll take one for the team and play it live,
I
yeah?
would feel fine for radio edit.
No, I'm going to find, even if
Ah,
it's
yeah,
raw,
fine.
me take one for the beat. So management,
Alright, let's-
may I beg you to please, may I take one for the team, yeah? We'll take a yellow card, not a red.
Say alright.
It's here, sir?
You sure?
It's no management, guys. Management, I tell me, say, it's here, sir. Me I go find it, right, people?
Is it clean?
What
No,
about clean?
no.
No.
If it's not clean, I'm sorry. I'm going to go against you, Rick.
Oh, Jesus.
Yeah.
Rastafari.
If it not clean, it not play pan ear. It's not going to. I'm so sorry.
Oh, Jesus.
Well, find it and send it on.
You go
then.
find it.
Yeah, so find the link and send it on, but we're not
Definitely.
playing any
Yeah,
raw
man.
version.
No, we're gonna do that. We're gonna. No, listen.
Alright,
We're gonna
it's
have
fine.
it.
We'll work
we
it
need to
out.
find out. We're gonna find a
We
way to
work
get
it
it
out,
play.
but so you say you're a summer born, things are gonna happen, so we just have to stay tuned.
Yeah, man.
What is in the pipeline? You say Holy Power works, people are gonna look out for you. We should be looking out for you. But give us something more. What is it? Because that's very vague for me, and I'm very curious to know what is it that I should be looking out for. I don't know if you're gonna kill me.
So now go wait to find out.
I will wait, but I mean, give us at least a snippet or something. What is it that you have in the pipeline?
I have loads of music. I have an EP.
You have an good.
I have
That
an EP.
we're getting somewhere.
I have an EP,
We have an EP coming out.
See it, yeah.
Right.
Get me secret them out. So I have an EP.
Right.
That's it.
And that full stop.
That's it.
All right. So we're going to be looking out for the EP from the Rara. DJ Rick is looking for something so that we can have him show his versatility on our
Yes.
on our stage. I mean, on our
Because
show.
definitely.
Because everybody who comes in here who is an artist has to show their versatility.
Which
And
is
because
right.
he is the Rara,
Yeah.
I'm going to show you what we can do.
And a whole heap of people see them artists and they say with the song them and when them reach them
You never reach nowhere.
them stays and them freeze and them like but anyway I go find out now. But this is our official beat, it's called the Upnlive beat.
Rhythm.
This is our Upnlive rhythm. As a yard man, I say a full rhythm this. So nobody not really out there yet.
Yeah.
You know you never hear it yet. So people you never hear the Upnlive beat yet.
So they give me fresh rhythm.
me give it
Fresh,
fresh.
and I'm going to sing the thing clean.
Yeah.
You understand?
You have to do the thing
we have to do
clean.
it clean. And we now wire up the
Well,
thing. Hey.
You ready? People, everybody that's out, this is a freestyle official Rara day. Rara is live here on the Upnlive show. This is his freestyle. Remember, if you like it, thumbs up. If you don't, thumbs down. Simple as that, right? Rara, the stage is yours, my brother.
yeah. If me touch you one time and I call something no right. If me touch you two time and call you back, you know me like it. Touch three time, you wet up on it. Five, I know me wife, you too lie. If me touch you 6 times, 7, 8, no go 9. Now your friend a give me sign, you feel wait for your time. Me will make you baptize, you go decide. Fly, clean version though, cool. So you never know, say me no nice. Dash where you and your pride. I shift with the thing to the side, excitement. Where you know about excitement, you expect and I send text indirect. You have a man but I no like say, me and him my friend, Hannah my friend. Call up on a Friday, yeah, mad move, yeah. She said, me no want nobody, so no tell nobody. Nobody, you love when me touch up your body. Nobody beat up you with thing on Instagram. No follow me, no like none of me picture them. No comment panny, if me girl ever see your comment, kill it to a wee, but you work better panny when you're the panny. She no if you love me like your baby, you better than she. Bring the rum and the weed, what me say? Some man. I saw me pull up on your yard, pop it like a cock, pick it on your jaws, pick it on my neck, reject it caller, me won't belong, pull up on your yard, full of sauce, call me Bruno Mars, you no need for ask, you know what me want, mad move, this is how I bring it to, pull, say the trigger get, say the trigger get, me say the trigger get, I me say, trigger get, trigger get, trigger get, trigger get, trigger get. Can't sing the song, you know. I'm gonna sing something else. I be a drillers man link with contract put up on your head. Now your head I run a liquid. Me send out me bully them running on your place and pick it up for inches. Me pull in your front tire mother then tell her I just business. I just business. They want buy. Bye, boy drop a gong now. Bye, well you mad move man. And this time I bring it out easy. Bye, boy drop a gong now. Bye, one in your eyeball. Try eye, all through your phone connect to Wi-Fi. So me find out where you hide out right by. Catch them hang out like clothes I try man a star. You make it Star Wars sci-fi. Get this link. Me pull up in the car. Out there made from far. Me see man a jump fence and wall. I know, and I run up on the wall. A funeral. Two of your cousin a pretty girl. They said them ready for the war. So me a go for them now. Watch the style, yeah. Good. Me no wanna see no man alive. Scheme getter. And a shop a mother pot a boil. A man a drive. Shot through right. Come to other side. Yang man a ride. Quang on my side. Behind car man a. Me see man a dive. Safe shot. Football. Baseball. Butterfly. Boom. Make you drop. Boom. On your belly. Crocodile. Man a smile. Oh me don't know. Me walk by in a slippers and socks. Spinners man clap one in a man back. Chop, head top, take off, drop top. Duck shot, can't bring a man back. Let me carry you shopping. You happy? Close tag, you poppy. You so happy? Champagne, you poppy. You popping? Expensive clothes for your sexy body. Woman of me. Look at me. Love your heart, no sorry. You no sorry. Me finger down in the ground now. Step up penny, you know. Money. You know we got the baggy, you know. Hey, I miss your so she want me love and me say come over me hard now. Mad, so me cook it up on the dress and me cook it down. So be done.
Pray for the Rara. As no,
we're not done.
the brother that shit off the radio. And just
Somebody
decide
think
to...
done this so. Shanti, you not done this so.
No, we
My
not
brother that, you know.
You know,
We
just
can't do
run
this,
off
sir.
somebody.
No, we don't run off,
You
sir.
have a wrap up the thing.
Somebody me show them, you know. And,
I shall have
Be a
move on
bucket.
fast. Rasta, you want to close?
That
Oh,
was
damn.
the freestyle from the Rara.
Yes.
My man Squeaky. Thank you very much. Thank you very much for passing through.
yeah, man.
Yeah, so tell the people them where we can find you.
IG. Sorry, I got to.
No, go on.
I'll be across path from reach, you know. You see, but I like a challenge.
Yes.
IG, the Rara, the .RARA. Snapchat,
Yep.
the Rara hyphen RARA. I go find me from this one. Yeah, Facebook, same thing. YouTube, SoundCloud, iTunes, the whole of them thing there. Elegance out. Video comes soon. Just look out for it. You gotta see it, man.
Very soon. And the
Yeah,
EP
man, I
will be
gotta see it.
dropping.
We got my
because-
management sick right now. She couldn't dare. Love her for this, and she make me there so right now. You see me? Man, they make me there so right now. You see me? Scully, Nakis, Chenga.
Trengan. Right, so that was the voice of the Rara, and you know I'm your girl, the Likkle Brown, and you're watching the Upnlive show on World Mag. Check out all our videos on our YouTube channel, and you can find the rest of our videos on our World Mag page at www.worldmag.co.uk or is it .com? Which one is working? One of our websites
You
are
like
working.
'em.
Just Jesus have mercy. Why,
Watch
man?
that- watch that one
Why?
there beside of me,
Why?
Nothing wrong with that.
Why?
Nothing wrong with that. No, that
Oh
you
my
can't say
God.
why for that one there.
Anyways, just check out our page. Follow DJ Dragon, DJ Fire Q, the Likkle Brown Nurse, World Mag. Bless up on yourself. And Shanti Force will be
Peace.
coming soon. Yeah.
DJ Rick, Upnlive.
People-